Next, good driving instructors are fun. I do enjoy what I do, as you can tell by me going live all the time. And I'm helping people drive. It's very fulfilling. Good instructors on the road are very calm. They give you advice on how to improve your driving skills. They give you positive reinforcement. They always remind you of doing things constantly. Next, always allow you to fix your mistakes and to figure out what you're doing wrong. That's called self-learning. And I want to create an environment where it's okay to make a mistake. Many of you have been in a classroom in high school or college and you made a mistake. But then you're scared to ask the teacher for help. Don't feel like that when you drive with me or you see my content. Ask questions. It's not perfect. Parking, turning, lane changes. Remember, we all had to learn how to drive, including me. Our learning target. We're talking about what makes a good driving instructor from the student's perspective, how to use efficient steering, and new advice for beginning drivers. I'm your host, Driving with Miles. Testing is in session. I want to welcome you in. Let's keep going. In the classroom, they interact with students. They let you work on your packet. They let you examine your mistakes and then make those mistakes correct answers. They help you figure out things and answer all of your questions. So if you have questions, you need to put those in. They use their hands to show you where to look. I need you to look left. I need you to look right. I need you to slow down. They make jokes. They make you feel comfortable. There's no awkward silence in the car. In the classroom, we play games, Kahoot, Quizlet, Book It. I have custom games based on the state tests. Your questions, put those in.